It's here. I actually didn't get my package that early in the day. I got a text message from Apple at like 11 in the morning saying how today's the day that they're gonna deliver my package. So I've been really super pumped all day, and I didn't get it until like 2 o'clock. So I was just kind of like sitting there like, when's it gonna come? When's it gonna come? I eventually got it. Here she is. I like don't wanna open the box, like it's too pretty. Like, wait, where is this? Okay, so I'm just gonna like go into it. We don't need a introduction. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, wait. Ready? That was really satisfying. Okay, so designed by Apple in California. Okay, here it is. Here is the iPhone SE 2020 Satisfaction Part 2. I don't know where to. Okay. I did that so slow. I don't want to touch it. It's like so pretty right now. So, along with this gorgeous phone here, we got some headphones, we got charging cable, and this thing. Oh, wait, it has a little thing too. Let's get started. Hello? Hello? What if I accidentally click the wrong language? So it's asking me, oh, you can't see that, to click on language, so we're just gonna do English. Wait, what? So, some background, because I've never had an iPhone before. I had an iPod, and then I got a Huawei phone after that, but like the clicky sound is giving me so much nostalgia from my iPod days. Oh, I already got fingerprints on it. Touch ID. I pressed too hard. Okay, passcode. I need to write it down. I'm really liking this. My case isn't coming in for like another week, so that's gonna be a problem. The Touch ID is very responsive. I've been messing around with it for a few hours and only once, like it wasn't like recognized. The screen display is really pretty. You can't see that. Why am I showing you? I don't really have anything to say about this. Like, it's an iPhone. iPhones always strive for perfection. It's kind of hard to find a flaw, especially in a new phone. I would say that the battery is definitely running low. It's at like 56 right now. Yes, I've been on it for an hour and 3 minutes. It's fine. I guess it also depends on what I've been doing, and I've been on Snapchat, which takes up a lot of battery. But other than that, it seems like a really solid phone. Absolutely love the back. Like, if I could stop shaking it, maybe you could see. It's the same size as the 8, so the Apple logo is just moved down further. That's pretty much the only way you can tell. All of the models have the black interior. That's really all I have to say about this. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new, which you probably didn't.